Assalamualaikum. Good evening, everyone. Okay, so for today, I'm not going to take your attendance, don't worry. What I want to do is that I want to see your work. Straight to the point, you just present, share your screen, present, then you may leave. And I want to give thank you, Patrick. I want to give the priority for our Muslim friend first. You may present, share me your screen, then you may leave. Of course, present and get comment from me. Okay, who wants to go first, please? Just quickly click share screen, then show me your output from Chrome. After that, you show me whether from Notepad or you right click your web page.
Hello. Hello.
Hello, do you want to present first? Can you hear me, Wong?
May I? Yeah. May I present first?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
But the priority is for your Muslim friend first. If they
okay.
while waiting for them, you start first.
Okay.
Okay, please, don't worry.
Okay. Share screen. Okay. So can you see my screen? Okay. So this is my web page.
Wow, this is more than I expected. Okay. Are you using CSS?
Okay.
Do you use
and JavaScript. JavaScript also.
Okay. Thank you very much. This is more than what I want. Okay.
Okay.
Actually, this is for next week.
So,
CSS and for another week for the
so far.
Okay, never mind.
Okay, so far like this. Okay, so far like this only. Okay, and then you can play the song and so far like this.
Oh, the rest of your friends, please give a round of applause to your friends. Click any suitable icon. Or
yeah, you can click any icon, and then email also, and so on. Yeah, this one, and then you can see the song also. You can run the song. Okay. So far like this.
So, what is the address? The IP address? Have you uploaded it somewhere?
Yeah. What? Excuse me. Pardon?
Is this on your laptop or you have uploaded this to any server, any website?
This on my laptop only. On my laptop only. Just a local host only.
Okay. I think you should upload it to free web hosting. Don't waste your effort.
Okay. Thank you.
Right, congratulations. Well done. You may leave the session. You are pro already. This session is only for amateur batch of students. Okay, see you next week, next Monday for CSS and JavaScript.
Okay. Thank you, sir. That's all. Okay.
Congratulations. Well done. All right, next. Don't worry if you do it, if you think that yours is wrong or you've done it wrongly, don't worry. This is my task to guide you. Okay, next person, please. Just click share screen and start to present your nice website. Basic requirement that was listed in the elite, but like Wong is more than what I expected. Please.
So boleh saya present?
Boleh, of course. Yang mana?
So, yeah, this is just the basic HTML website.
This is what I expected. I want to tell you that without CSS, this is what happened.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. Tell your friend, explain to your friend.
So, this is just my details about my website, myself. Just basic, the table, then about me, then there's the paragraph. Heading 1, heading 2. This one is unordered list. Basically the facts stated. And then hobbies. I think that's all. Nothing much.
How do you add the distance between paragraph and heading 1? Your code.
I think it's supposed to be with break, but I think Japan. But I think
You may
it's
use
on.
BR for break line.
I don't think I put break on this one. It just automatically. Yeah, it automatically puts the spacing.
Table H2P. You're using PP as a paragraph.
Yeah, P is the paragraph. I think I forgot to put break on some parts.
Right. So this is the default distance between paragraph.
Okay, yeah.
I see on top you have the CSS. You're not using it. Yeah,
No. Oh, this one, huh?
Right.
Style, is it?
Okay. Well, so
Just a
for
bit.
the rest of you, if you don't use it, you may just remove it and save it for the next syllabus. We're going to cover CSS next week. All right.
If body
Okay,
restore is it considered CSS ka, sir?
Yeah.
Can you consider CSS juga?
Yes.
Oh,
From
okay.
style. This is how they to call the style code.
Oh, okay. Understand.
Okay, well done. Thank you very much. Next, please.
Thank you, sir.
So when you may find your juara berbuka puasa.
All
The
right,
rest of
thanks,
you, if
sir.
you decide you want to stay and listen to the presentation for your friends, should be okay. Or you need time to find your dinner, I allow you to do that, please. Okay, next presenter, please.
Hi, sir. Can you hear me?
Please proceed.
You want to see my website?
Yeah, sure.
So I also did a basic website lah, so don't worry. I'm not touching any advanced things.
For now, you don't delete your CSS. Just keep it for next week.
Oh,
Wow, nice photo.
okay. So this is my website. I follow the requirements. So here is a heading, a picture of myself, another heading, a H2 heading. This is a table, and this is a bullet list, and this is a paragraph, and then that's it. And you can notice that my background, there's some colors. So that's it. I'm
mentioned
not quite sure to write anything
tell
about
your
what.
friend how do you hide the table line.
Good question.
Yeah, please.
Thing is, I'm not sure why there is no line. I didn't figure it out yet.
Okay, now show me the
But I'm
code.
sure there is a way to show the line lah. I'm sure. I do remember that thing, but
Right.
I
Can you show me the
forget.
code? The HTML.
This. Yes. So you want to see my table, is it?
Tell your friend where is it.
So this is how you create a table. Okay. And then you can create a row using tr. This is one row. You can see this. This is the first row, which contains company name, owner name, page, net worth. This one. This is a row, and then another row, which contains some values. I might say. Then I add another row to add text about me. Then below that, I put another row to create the bullet list. That's it.
Where's the line? How do you tell us about the mysterious loss of the line? Are you using the same line color with the background color?
Not quite sure. Wait. No. Not sure. I don't have any answer for that question.
Okay. What's that? Background color RGBA with square box.
This
What's that?
This one just to set the color of the background.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So style here means you are using CSS as well. You have the style.
Wait. No, this one.
Yeah.
You mean this one? No. This one somehow
This
managed to
CSS.
get in this folder. I didn't touch any CSS as far as I'm concerned. This one file suddenly appeared in this folder. I don't know why.
Because they are linked, I think, because you are calling it the background color equal to, but for the background color, you don't have to link it to call the CSS.
Oh, like that, ka? Oh,
Yeah.
understand. So I
Wallpaper,
unintentionally
your
use
photo.
CSS lah actually.
Right, I see, that's CSS. What's that wallpaper.jpg? Is that your photo just now?
Yeah. Yes, it is supposed to be wallpaper, and then I think, oh, it's not suitable to become wallpaper, and then I just make it smaller and not make it a wallpaper, but the name is still wallpaper.
Okay, well done, Chris. Thank you very much. Email it.
Right, thank you.
Okay, next presenter, please. We do it quickly, then maybe at 6 we should stop.
Okay.
Okay, Rayang, please. Anyone, please? Just click and share the screen. Ame.
Hello, sir.
Okay, please proceed.
Yeah, so this is my page. So first one is I put my picture, and then this one I put the table, and then the fun facts. I added the bullet points, and then I also added the horizontal line above the fun facts, and the other one is just paragraph about me and my hobbies. That's all.
Right, so what's the code for horizontal line?
HR.
HR, okay. The rest of you, please. This is simple, easy to remember, HR. Now show me your HTML, the code.
This one. Alright.
You're also using style here.
Apa sih?
Yeah, actually, I want you not to use style because this is basic HTML, but you already have the style, which is like CSS there.
Oh, okay. Hello, team. Hello?
Yeah, please. What else you want to tell us?
So, tak ada apa-apa lah kot sih. Baik.
Okay, done. So keep the file for next week. We'll add it with CSS and JavaScript.
Okay.
Okay, thanks, presenter.
Thank you. Okay.
Steven, please proceed.
Okay. So this is my page.
Oh, macam majalah Vogue lah. Yes, please proceed.
It's very it's just like this and these are the fun facts, and I add a small game here to play with. Like enter a number, then tell it too low, guess again until you guess the final number. And this one is the icon for the pages. So like this one is for Facebook, but it's locked. I set private, so this one is locked. And this one is Instagram, yeah, and basically like that. And this one is the music button. Yeah, Okay, that's all. And this is my coding. HTML code. Yeah, that's all for me.
And the tool that you use for this one, is it
It's
what software
Visual
is
Code.
this? Visual,
Visual
okay,
Code.
looks nice. Alright. Looks
I
nice.
decorate it so it become
Wow.
brown.
Easy for us to differentiate the color.
Yeah. Because I like brown a lot. Even my page is brown in color.
It looks great and easy for me to differentiate. And also your background, tell your friend how do you design the work. Are you using Photoshop?
I use here is my background. This one. I use body. Then the background side is cover, so it cover all the page.
Okay. How to arrange it manually or automatically?
What do you mean by
Do
automatically?
you arrange the images nicely underneath the text?
Oh, this one is background size cover. Is the automatically arrange the size for the page.
Yeah.
Even
That's what I meant just now about the automatic arrangement of the things. Nice color. I like your tone of color, the shades. I'll keep the design. So next week I think would be more fantastic with CSS. Well done.
Okay.
Next presenter.
Sir, may I?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Okay, so this is my page. There is an image here and my name and my personal info with using tables, and then text using bullet points, and also some paragraph about me.
Color.
And yes. And this is my code. I also use CSS. And that's all.
How do you edit your photo? Is it earlier using Photoshop
How do I edit?
to make it circle? Are you using CSS?
I use this one to make it circle.
Do you edit it manually using Photoshop, then bring it here, or how?
I do it using this CSS style.
Show your friend the code.
Can you see my code here?
Not yet.
Oh, wait. Okay. This one. Hello.
Yeah. This is CSS. You should
Yeah.
present this next week.
So is it okay already, sir?
Okay, it's more than I expected. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
Next presenter.
Hello, sir.
Please proceed.
Okay. So this is my website. I use the header 1, special character, header 2, and the table code, the numbered ordered list, and this is just using the paragraph.
Alright, show me the code.
Uh, should eh. Yeah. So this is the code. I use a bit of CSS to knit
That one.
the page, the background color, and yeah. So that's it. Nothing special. Stop. Yeah, that's also.
Next result. Please proceed. Yeah. So, who owns the screen? He should start first.
Okay.
So you need to click share screen
Can
immediately.
you see my page?
Who owns the screen? Yeah.
So this is my page. Basically, I use the div container to separate the page into a few parts. One for the photo and one for the basically all my text here. And every element here also, I use the div container to create its own little space so that I can edit it individually. And on the top, I use the marquee element to create the header thingy. Yeah, that's basically it.
Okay, element is under JavaScript, right?
The marquee thing, I think it's not JavaScript because you know what? I don't know. I simply put it in the HTML file as well.
I think it's CSS.
Mhm. So that's basically it.
How do you come up with the idea? This one is a bit extraordinary because you have a left and it's a horizontal. As most of your friends are having it vertical. Yours is vertical, right?
Yeah,
Horizontal.
because I did like almost the same as everyone else, and then last night I decided to Google some ideas and changed it. So I got this instead.
So this is what I want. Plus, you don't depend on my instruction. Because for this one, I leave it to you to beautify it. Of course, we will do it step by step every week. Now, could you please test the dimension, resize the screen, and see what happened to your photo? Resize the browser screen, browser size. Okay. All right. This is what I want to tell your friend. So how do you control the dimension?
The dimension of the photo is basically it's controlled here where I have the object fit cover as well as the styling where basically it makes sure if the image is expanded or enlarged, it will keep the same, it will stay within the same div container and it won't like stretch or squeeze or something like that. So it will keep the same aspect ratio and everything as well.
All right. Awesome. Okay. Well done. Keep it for next week. You'll start to beautify it with more technology next week.
All right. Thank you so much.
Can we leave? Next. So, This is from my Padlet. Please show it from your Chrome. Show me it from your Chrome file. Don't show the Padlet. This is my Padlet. Yeah. Right. Actually, of course, they're the same thing, but this is to show your class. How do you make it center here? Tell the class. Yeah, sure. Okay. All right. You also use that font family Arial sans serif, and your main font is Arial, right? How about Pacifico? You're not using that font. It's the second choice, third choice font. Pacifico, Cursiva. So why they're not appearing? Okay. All right. Okay. How do you fill the grid color on the first column only inside the table? Do you set it manually or how? Right. Table header, background color, and that's green, right? Dark green. Okay. All right. Well done. Thank you. Save it for next week. We'll add more CSS. Thank you, Melif. Next presenter, please.
Hello?
Okay. Yes. Yes. Perfect.
Yes. Yeah, so this is my website. So we have the header, and this is the break line, and the image, and the
So you
table.
control the size of the black line. It seems bolder.
I think I use the CSS coding to increase the height, and then I fill it with the color. I think I will show the code. So this is the code. This part is where I use the CSS. This is the break line, which is HR. So I use CSS to change it with height of 8 pixels, and the color is something brown. I think that's all. Hello, sir. Hello.
Perfect. Betul lah. Okay. This next. Sorry.
Okay.
Save it for next week. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Next. Oh, nice photo.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Whose photo is that?
So, good evening, sir.
Is that you?
Yes, that's me. This is
Wow.
my first ever web page design that I come up with. So I'm a beginner. So there's the heading, the first heading, and the picture of me when I graduated from kindergarten, and a table format of information about myself. And under the fun facts, the bullet list points. There's actually 2 bullet list points, one here and one at the bottom right here, and some paragraph about myself under this header. I think I use H2 something, and so that's it for the code. This is my code.
For the blue text, how do you set the blue color?
For the blue color, can you see my code, sir?
Yes.
So I use this part right here.
Can you share the whole screen again? Just
Okay,
just share
wait.
you just share the goal.
So I changed it to blue using this code right here.
Okay,
Color.
plus for your information, by default, blue is for clickable link. So avoid using blue.
Oh, okay, sir.
That's by default, maybe since the last 20 years or so. But now you can play with the color, but be careful. People tend to find clickable link with or without underline by using blue color. So you may want to avoid blue.
Understand, sir. So that's all from me. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. So keep it for next week for CSS. Next,
All right, sir.
presenter. Right. Okay, good. So leave it like this, so easy for me to see left and right.
Add link, an order list, and then some paragraph and heading. It's a simple website. Yeah. And this is my code, HTML code.
Okay.
So it's
easy to read, but the choice of font is a bit hard to read. The fancy font. You may use that. What's the name of the font for fun facts about me, and my hobby? What's the title of the font? Name of the font.
In ink free.
So you can use ink free for H1, but for the bullet and the paragraph, you avoid using ink free style.
Okay.
Or like Vedana style or Arial style, go for that family of font.
Okay.
Okay, done.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, for next week we will add more CSS power to beautify it.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Next, please.
Yeah, present, sir.
Yeah, please.
You can see my
Yes, nice photo Dayang. Dekat mana tu? Selangor?
Thank you,
Kuala
sir.
Selangor?
Kedah. Alustar
Kedah.
Kedah.
Oh, nice.
It's my kampung. So this is my picture.
May I know your kampung? Kepala Batas?
Alustar Kedah. Alustar. Yes.
I like when my flight landed at the airport. We can easily see the
Yeah.
ferry film from the
Beautiful
flight.
views. Okay. This is my table. Some bullet list here for my fun facts. This is paragraph about me and my hobbies. This is just a basic one for HTML. That's all.
How do you know the code for the emojis?
I just
flower.
copied this from the HTML.
Any list of the emojis that we can refer, or before you paste there, you should know the
I
code.
just Google it.
Right. So then you are Sarawakian, right? So where you live in Kedah? You're Sarawakian. Sayang? Then. Okay, never mind. Next presenter, Izian.
So this is my website and this is my code. So can you hear me?
Just show me the output.
The output.
The browser view.
This one. Can you see it?
Chat, can you reshare it?
Mm, can you see my output, sir?
Yes, nice background. Is it one single image, tell your friend? How do you set the background?
I cannot see.
Can you show the code as well as the browser side by side so we can compare the output and the input? Hello again, can you proceed? Done, Nizam? If done, then next presenter, please.
Hello, sir. Can I share mine? Oh, that's
Yes.
okay.
Forget it first, present first.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah, please. I see lots of
Okay.
yeah, no mind.
Okay. So, okay. I share the code first. No, I share the output first.
Up to you.
So this is my output. Just a simple webpage design, but I put some like special feature on it, which is the header will like twinkle. And this I am using CS.
Yeah, so nice background. But be careful when you use background because it might cover the text. Like some of the words are hard to read.
So so this is the code. For the twinkle and the animation twinkle and the background I am using CS and the rest I am using the HTML.
You may share this code next week with a friend. Maybe they are interested to use like twinkling, nice, nice.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Thank you. Well done. Next.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Next, please.
Hello, sir. Can you see? I can see my screen.
Yes. Okay. Nice background. Proceed.
Okay, so this is my website. I used the format was followed. It followed from the instruction, but I did a few of CSS, like adding the background, changing the colors, making the photo circular. As you can see inside at the code, it says circular. I used the class circular image, and then I added boxes into my paragraphs because the text because the background image will cover the text. So I create a box so I put the text inside the box. So to make it like so that the reader can see what is written on the screen. And then the header, I changed the font into, I think it was Korea. Yeah, it's Korea. All of the headers change the font. And then I also use subheading to separate each of my paragraphs. And I also use bullet points for listing out the facts. And that is all.
or the background looks like that you are in the fantasy land.
Yeah.
How do you create the background? Are you using any AI tools?
Sorry?
Do you create the background image?
Oh, I wish I can create, but no, I took it from. It was from a cartoon, so I just took that scene because it was so very beautiful.
Okay. After this, you go to ChatGPT, ask it to generate a prompt for AI image generator tool. Copy that prompt, bring it to maybe Midjourney or any other tool. You'll find something like that.
Okay, sir.
It's a good practice that you use your own original image rather than downloading it somewhere else in terms of copyright. Okay, thank you. Perfect. Next presenter.